Hi, do you know that 90% of all markets are operated by smart money? Learn to think like smart money. Use volume spread analysis. Invest or trade by following the smart money. iVSAchart analytics will 1. Identify exactly when to buy, when to sell, and what to buy and avoid. 2. Maximize profits and minimize risks. And 3. Give trading or investing edge you need now. Try it now. Free trial available.
Okay, welcome to another Friday iVSA chart dating 24th of October 2014. Now, those of you who don't know, last Sunday we did have a very successful and very good last week, which is the how to read chart like an expert, seeking the next 100%. How many of you came from there? Just raise your hand. Right? I think Mr. E didn't come. How many of you came from there? Right? How many of you came from there? How many of you from yep. Okay, we got a few. How many actually are listening? Where are you listening from? I think some of you are outstation and didn't have the time to come down. Andrew was there. Thanks a lot. I think Alex was from Singapore too. Right. So I know some of you are outstation, so it's going to be difficult. But we have a great presentation. Bill talks about the stock market and how we should see things for what it is and not what it presents. So a lot of opportunities out in the market. I also given a couple of great ideas how you can seek stock that will give you the possible 100%, the kind of pattern and things that we look for. And this is something that we will talk very deeply in our Master the Market main course. And for our graduates, I'm sorry I have to go through this again. This is a bit of promotion because we only do the main course twice a year. Once is on the November, which is coming up on the 15th to 17th of November, and the next one will probably be next year. So we don't do this a lot. So when we do it, we try to promote it as much as possible and let our student know and our subscriber, our Lux subscriber knows about this course that will change their life in terms of how they manage their trades. Now, like it or not, the market outlook that I given last Saturday, how was it? Carol, you were there, right? Did I say what came through? Did it come to what I said? Yes, that's right. Thanks a lot, Carol. So the point is, I was telling all about market recovery. Andrew, yeah, it's a stock picking now. That's right. Yep, spot on. Thanks a lot, Andrew. So as I said before, the correction that we have, what I did a bit of research work together in my research in my office. We were looking at the market corrections, and we have seen that it was quite spot on over the last 6-7 years. So it becomes a great opportunity. Now, if you think you are going to be in this market, because I see many of you like, where are you from, Brian? Did you come to the talk last Sunday? Okay. Cocoaland. Okay, Cocoaland. I will do that. Okay. Cocoaland. What do you have? Okay, I got few of the stocks coming up. Right. Where you listening from? Nicole. Right? Yes, I remember you, Nicole. Okay. Any more? Just take some chats. I think I've only got one Cocoaland here. So we were talking about the opportunity that is presented. I've given some stock pick also, which is will be available on the last Sunday actually. So we did talk about that one. Bill was going to try and join us from now onward. But the highlight of the show is that there is a lot of opportunity now in the market in here, and definitely the so-called market. Okay, what was the other one? That's right. Okay, and Homeritz. Okay, and the main course should give you the knowledge. What bottom line is what we're trying to say. Look, the investment and the time that you put in will definitely give you. Then you can actually become an analyst yourself. You don't even need to ask me whether it's a good stock to buy, because with our iVSA training, you will get a copy of the iVSA training plus the software, plus the course notes, a 3-day costing, and the coaching from Bill and myself that are able to do. If you've been with us for so long, thing, are you coming, Nicole, to our main course? Are you coming to our main course, Nicole? Okay, good. Okay, good to see you. Okay. So that's the whole point of it. Great. So I just want you guys to make money because there's a plenty of opportunity now. I've shown a few already on the premium charts already. Now just email me because there will be a special price for you guys because we are packaging in also with the iVSAchart that you're currently using it now. So that's going to be a lot of great. It will be a complete new syllabus for the second and third day, which will incorporate the iVSAchart. So past graduate like Andrew and Alex, I highly recommend you to re-attend because we're going to have some very exciting things inside there. I'm in the midst of preparing those presentation slides as well as the course notes. So there'll be something new. And whole point is the feedback that we've been getting over the last 3 or 4 main course. We are really revamping this, and it's going to be a great course where when you come and immediately on the first day you will go out and start making money. That's what we want to achieve with this course in here, because we want to make it simple for everyone. The whole point, I'm targeting people from plumber, the sales girl, teachers that are able to attend this and able to make money. Whole point is we want to make the software and the course really idiot proof. Is that something you look for? And something easy to do. Right, good. Okay, that'll be great. Okay, it's a great tool. Thanks a lot. All right. Those of you who is outstation like Ali should consider coming. You still got 1 more month. If you miss, Miss Leong should come back and re-attend again. Thanks a lot, Vincent. Okay, ciao. So this is happening next month, and the main course preview will be on the, let me just give you the URL for if you, those of you who want to come for the main course preview here. Let me just, we got a few. Okay, let me just send it out to you now. All right, Bill is here already, so we're gonna get on to Bill now. Bill, you here, Bill?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. So I'm gonna get you to give an update, perhaps talks a bit about, I was talking about the main course and also our preview next week. So I've given them a URL so they can attend the preview in there. So Bill, take it away, Bill.
Okay, can you hear me, Martin?
Yes, I can hear you, Bill.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay, good. Okay, now, a lot of people have been asking me, why have we had such a massive sell down in the market? So, I think that the issues are, one, Germany's exports fell dramatically, much more than expected. So there's a fear of possible recession in Europe. We've also had a cut in the global forecast by the IMF, global growth. And then obviously falling crude oil prices. Also the strong U.S. dollar has led to reversal of funds. So these are some of the issues. However, if you look at it from a positive point of view, rather than negative, lower oil prices implies lower inflation. And if we have lower inflation, it's much less likely that the U.S. will increase interest rates. So when we have a weak global economy, it will put less pressure on rate hikes by the U.S. Fed. So as Germany is slowing, as Europe is slowing, there's a lot less pressure on raising rates. And also, as the U.S. dollar gets stronger, other currencies, Asian currencies weaken. So this is very good for exports. So then we look at some of the things that are happening right now. We look at the futures index. It has been trading at a discount to the cash market, which implies negative sentiment. However, that discount is narrowing. And that was obviously created by the foreign fund managers hedging their positions. So the other issue is that foreign shareholding in Malaysia is relatively low, very low on a historical basis. So that means there's less foreign fund selling pressure. We do have institutional support. Then when we go over to Europe, it's not as bad as in 2011 when we had the European financial crisis. So it's not as weak as implied by all of this panic selling. So the other thing we have a likelihood is that you're going to have a lot more stimulus by the European Central Bank. This will be introduced, and this will also be very supportive of equities, especially in the Asian markets, and also in the lower crude oil prices is very positive for the oil importing nations. So what I would suggest in terms of this outlook is that for new accounts, we suggest bargain hunt. For existing accounts that have lots of cash, it's a good opportunity to pick up quality shares at a reasonable price. So look for fundamentally sound stocks is what I'm saying. So this is my outlook based on what's going on right now. Look to accumulate the cash holdings that you have. Now, I would say that we're having a main 3-day seminar coming up in the middle of November. We did a preview this weekend. We're going to do another preview. And this is a good opportunity to get the tools so you manage your risks and find quality shares that meet our fundamental criteria and participate in possible rally going into the year. And remember, September and October are seasonally weak months. That's traditional. For many years. However, November and December are bullish months. We'll usually have an upturn in the November-December time frame. So this is a good time to get position. And our course will help you have the tools to be able to exploit the trend. So overall, I'm not pessimistic. In fact, just an interesting note, our clients who are managed accounts, I've only had about two or three calls of people who were really scared and panicking. The rest of you, because you were trained, most have come to our courses, have held the course, and with minimum of drawdown. So having said that, I do well going into the year. The background, the fundamentals support being in equities. The sentiment, though, is quite negative. So sentiment is what's driving the market in the short term. Fundamentals are still very sound. So in any case, I hope that's given you the best guidance, and we wish you well going forward. Goodbye.
All right, thanks, Bill. Thanks a lot, Bill. That was Bill, and coming in from Kuala Lumpur at his office here. Can you hear me? Just want to do a sound check, please. All right. Okay. Well, we got 30 over people in here. Good. All right. So again, Bill talked about our main course, something that you should not miss, that will take you to the next level. The reason why I asked this, because I was very surprised. I just want to ask you this question in here, which is this one. True or false? In the year of 2007, what did we have? Year 2007. What did we have in year 2007? Can you all answer that? Right? Because this will only help you if you engage what happened in 2007. Financial crisis, yes. But there was a bull run. Financial crisis only happened in 2008, not in 2007. Okay? So, November. So, bottom line is, right, only 20% of the people make money in the major bull run. The 2007 was a good run. And then coming to 2008, towards the tail end of 2008, we have that crash coming in there and only recover in 2009. So, is it true or false that 20% of the trader make money in a major bull run? And this was example year 2007. What would you say to that? True or false? And why do you say it's only 20% of people make money in a major bull run? What are the reasons? Just type true or false. Right? Can you type true or false? We got a whole bunch of people in here. Right? Sheep mentality. It's very surprised. And this is from a statistic just want to share with you from the India stock market. In year 2007, right, a lot of people actually lost money. As a matter of fact, 50% of the people lost more than of their capital. But you guys are different. You guys are special because you guys have been following our Friday iVSAchart and you would know what to do. Okay, but to take it to the next level, to make money, which is the next 5% people who make great money, is the cost that we are talking about here. So that's why we really emphasize it, because it's very interesting when I've talked to some of my colleagues in the office. Even in a good year like this, people still lose money. Okay, people still lose money, and when the market start to turn for the worse with no risk management, we can see that even going perhaps some of it who make all the money and lost it. I mean, it's quite interesting. The other day I was talking to one of the old remisers. We were talking about the 97-98 crash in financial crisis. It was interesting, you know, these people were making 200,000 every month for during that nice bull run. But on the end of the 98, do you know what happened to these people who made the $200,000 every month? Group of remisers? Anybody? Anybody want to guess? Yes, they all lost it all. Bungkus, balik rumah, they lost it all, man. I tell you, they were making 200 over thousands. That was just average. If you multiply that by 12, I mean, you do your math. They lost, I think, 3 to 4 times more than what they make. Reason is because there's no risk management, right? There's no risk management. They lost it all. A lot of them were bunkus. They went bankrupt, and it's going to happen again. 97, 98, 2007, 2008. It's all going to happen again. So that is why our fraternity, our community that we do, we don't want to see that happens. Now, a lot of you who have been with us would know that our intention has always been honest and to share with you this. I mean, if you don't attend our course, don't buy our books, hey, that's okay. But make sure you get educated, you know, get educated, talk to the right people, talk to people who is in this business, who are licensed in this business, who are people who are professional in business. Just not walk and don't, they only talk but don't walk. Because people like us, we are always constantly in the market looking at. You've been with our Friday chart clinic, iVSAchart clinic, so you would know that. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, so the fact is only few people really make money, even in the bull run. Now, what happens if in the bear run? Everybody will okay, how to buy your books, dividend stock? Go to the MPH bookstore, okay? MPH bookstore and also Popular bookstore, you can buy it, or you can get an online copy from the website here. You can buy on the website, which is here. Go to Get Rich, okay? Get Rich. Yep, you can go to Get Rich Dividends. You can order there too. I'll just send it to you now. Oh, you're from Penang, that's right. You go to MPH bookstore, just get it online. You can buy it from our website here anyway. All right. So our Friday chart clinic will come to the end soon, but not before we review some of the stocks. Okay. Let's look at LuxChem. Okay. The first one that I got, which is given to me. Now there's a website here, ivsachart.com.chartpro.biz. I will update the website very soon with the new charts. Okay. So this is the one, and we are looking at LuxChem. So just type LuxChem in here. This LuxChem, you got Uptrust today. Okay, let's look at what is LuxChem today. Classic Cynic, it's nice. Okay, well, you're gonna have 2 or 3 days of retracement from now. But if you should hold above 156, should be a good one. I don't think it's gonna go down that fast. All right. Cocoaland. Let's talk about Cocoaland, okay? Let's see. Okay, let's talk about Cocoaland, okay? Cocoaland. Sure, you're out from a meeting. Okay, here's Cocoaland. Now, Cocoaland has built a nice base in here. Lots of tests, very good. You got Uptrust, market came off. So that's a good support. If you look from the ATR stop loss, let's see where the stop loss is. If it's going to be, I would actually put my stop loss around 145. It's a nice base in here. It's pays a 3.6 dividend yield, but it's still on a nice downtrend. Wait for accumulation before the market can move high. Else, it is still going to move sideways for a while. Volume has come in, so that's a nice base here around 115 here. But put your stop loss in here the reason is the market is broken down, still in a nice downtrend in here. It may continue to go lower again. If this is a trading platform, then use the stop loss, the ATR stops, which is a red line here at 148. Okay, so that's LuxChem. Okay, Nicole. So I hope I got you covered. Okay, so next one that we have here on my list is Homeritz. Okay, Homeritz, Harmi, which is a furniture maker. Let's take a look at that one. Now, Homeritz has broken down. You got a sell-off here, then a reversal, but this reversal hasn't been that fantastic. Okay, you got very low volume in here. Definitely, this was broken down to 88 cents in here. At this point, the market is recovering in here. So I will put my stop loss probably around 70 or 72 cents if you're not out yet, because the market is going to try to retest back to the old one. Definitely the market is correcting. Okay, a lot of corrections. If your market is correction, you should be out. All right, you should be out when the market broke. So this, you can see the stop loss. When the market broke through here, this is where you want to be out already. Okay, so in here, you want to put another bracket in here. The key thing, as I said before, going back to the question, 20% of the people make money, whereas 80% of people don't make money. What was the simple reason? They don't observe their stop loss. Okay, this is something you're going to talk about, because in our main course, we're going to tell you when and how and what to buy, to sell, maximum profit, maximize your profit and minimize your loss. Because we're going to give you an income and wealth generation system that will give you for the rest of your life. Now think of that. If you have that for the rest of life, you don't even need people to tell you what to buy and what to sell. All right, so that will be great. So that's all I have for our Friday chart clinic here, and hope to see you on this next Wednesday night. Okay, so make sure you catch that. I'll send the URL for you to register for our webinar. Hope we catch few of you in our webinar here for our. Okay, that's registered for that. How many of you are registered for the main course preview? Those of you who are new with us. So if you're new with us, make sure you register for main course, as the course will be done in Kuala Lumpur. You still got 1 month to think about it. It is because we're going to have, like what Bill said, we're going to have a nice bull run going in to the month of November and December. So make sure you have the knowledge, the skill and the tools, and if you do it well, the cost itself will pay by itself. Okay, the cost will pay by itself because you will make the money out from that. So with that, I thank you for your time. Let us know that if you are coming for the course or you are coming for the preview, which is on the webinar on Wednesday 8:30. Okay, Wednesday 8:30 on the 29th of October. All right, thank you guys. See you later. Bye bye.